Diagnosing and repairing an iPhone 12 Pro Max. No service, no baseband, no Wi-Fi issue can be complex, requiring specific tools and knowledge. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you through the process. Another milestone achieved by the Budget Repair Canter, diagnosis steps. Initial inspection. Check for physical damage, cracks, dents. Inspect the SIM card tray and ensure it is not damaged. Ensure the SIM card is inserted correctly. Force restart. Perform a force restart of the iPhone by pressing and quickly releasing the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Check settings, go to Settings, Cellular, and ensure cellular data is turned on. Check if airplane mode is turned off. Update carrier settings. Connect the iPhone to Wi-Fi. Check for any available carrier settings update under Settings. General, About. Restore network settings. Go to Settings. General. Reset. Reset network settings. This will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords and network configurations. Software update. Ensure the iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version under Settings. General software update. Check for SIM issues. Test with a different SIM card from a compatible carrier to rule out SIM card issues. Use DFU mode. Put the device into DFU mode and restore it using iTunes or Finder. This can help if the problem is software related. Repair steps. Open the device. Use appropriate tools, pentalobe screwdriver, suction cup, etc. to carefully open the iPhone. Inspect internal components. Check the logic board for any visible damage or corrosion. Inspect the baseband IC and Wi-Fi IC for any signs of damage or shorts. Check connections. Reseat all connectors related to the baseband and Wi-Fi modules. Ensure there are no loose connections. Test baseband and Wi-Fi chips. Use a multimeter to check the power supply to the baseband and Wi-Fi chips. Ensure they are receiving the correct voltage. Reflow or replace baseband. IC. If the baseband IC appears to be damaged, reflow it using a hot air rework station or consider replacing it if necessary. Check for liquid damage. If the device has been exposed to liquid, clean the internal components using isopropyl alcohol. Look for corrosion on the circuit board. Replace antenna. If the Wi-Fi antenna or cellular antenna is faulty, replace it. Reassemble the device. Carefully reassemble the device, ensuring all connections are secure. Test the device. Power on the iPhone and check if it connects to the network and Wi-Fi. Final steps. If the issue persists, consider replacing the logic board or seeking professional repair services. Note: make sure to wear anti-static gloves and work on an ESD-safe surface. If you are uncomfortable with any of these steps, consider seeking help from a professional technician. Call us at 073-477-044 or visit us at Budget Computers and Kiwi Mobile's Repair Center, 1191 Rotorua Street, Rotorua, Bay of Plenty. The only high-tech lab equipped with the latest tools and machines. This guide provides a structured approach to diagnosing and repairing the issue. But be aware that not all repairs may be successful, especially if there is extensive damage.